Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Joe and I'm an independent cloud consultant based in Sydney, Australia. This is a video series which will help you prepare for your Azure AI Engineer Associate certification. We will go through questions very similar to the exam and discuss in detail each and every options provided. A basic knowledge of Azure AI services will be helpful to better understand these questions. I took one training to prepare for the certification and it was incredibly helpful and got me through the exam. I would highly recommend this training and the link will be provided in the description. So let's get into the video. Before getting into the question, first we will have a look into the format of the question. There will be a code snippet provided and we have to figure out what all that code is meant to do. Now there will be some statements provided and you have to select whether those statements are true or false based on the code provided. Now let us get into the question. EcoCycle, a waste management company, wants to automate image analysis for recyclable materials. They have an Azure AI Vision client library integrated into their application. There is a code snippet provided. Select the correct statements from the following. The statements are: the code will detect objects in the image. The code will read an image file from the local file system. The code will perform face recognition. The code will list tags and their associated confidence. Let us break down the question. So it is asking about the image analysis service of AI Vision. Now what about the code? There is a function named AnalyzeImage. What does that function do? It will open a local image, an image in the local system, and it is calling the image analysis client and passing the image to the client. And what it is asking to extract? It is asking to extract the tags and description from the provided image, and then it is printing captions from the description, and it is also printing the tags generated with the confidence score. Now what are the statements? Before getting into the statements, let us have a look into the Microsoft documentation. Now this is the image analysis API documentation. So when we go through the documentation, we can either pass the URL of the image or we can analyze a local image by using this method. Then we can extract these all features from the image, categories, brands, and all those things. So if we have a look at here, we can see VisualFeatureTypes.description. Then there is VisualFeatureTypes.tags. So these are the features we are extracting from the image. Now we are printing out the result. So here in the code, we are printing out the captions from the description generated with the confidence score. And along with that, we are also printing out the tags. So this is the code for AnalyzeImage API 3.2 version. So there is a 4.0 version. So if we look at the documentation of this version, which is 4.0, you can directly extract the caption from the visual features. You don't have to give description and from the description extract caption. So this is an advanced version of the API and it has captions and dense captions present in it. So I just want to put it out there, nothing relevant, but just wanted to say it. There are two versions of the API. This is the older version and 4.0 is the newer version. Now we have seen the documentation. We can get back to the question. There will be multiple captions and multiple tags for a given image. The code will print each and every one of them with a confidence score. Now let us get back to the options. The code will detect objects in the image. Will it detect objects? No. Now the code will read an image file from the local file system. Yes. The code will read an image file from the local system. Now the code will perform face recognition. No, the code won't perform face recognition. Face recognition is done by Azure Face service. Now the code will list tags and their associated confidence. Yes, the code will list all the tags generated along with the confidence associated with it. So the correct options are B and D. B and D are the correct options. What did we learn from this question? So we understood how to call the AnalyzeImage API. Now we also understood what are the features provided by this API, including generating tags and caption for the images.